Hi, Sally Rogers from Lexria here. Thanks for joining me to take a peek at the client view of the Lexria intake questionnaire. This is exactly what your clients would see once they've registered with your unique URL. It just takes an email address, a name, and a password for them to get started. Once they've done that, they're in the intake. As you can see, I'm pretty far along here. I'm 95% of the way done. This is one of the key components of our design. Lexria will always tell your clients exactly how far along they are and what is left to do. Also up here at the top is their document due date. If you choose to put this in your attorney dashboard, it will appear here and continue to be updated if you make changes. This is one of the ways that they'll be able to stay on task. As you can see, this is a fairly robust questionnaire. We want to ensure that every client touches every question, which means this Send Intake for Attorney Review button doesn't get highlighted and is not able to be clicked until your clients have considered every question. That means each of the 6 sections would be complete. This is a specific design choice that we've made. This might take them a little bit more time at the onset, but in the long run saves both you and them a ton of time since they've had to consider all aspects of the filing process. We also believe that good design means that the clients can pick up where they've left off on any device. So if I click into assets here and make changes, again, based on where Lexria has told me I have work to do, I can also open this exact same intake on my mobile device tomorrow and continue to pick up where I left off. We've made it that easy to save, log back in, and continue working across any device. We also know that some clients may struggle with converting images to PDF or getting documents uploaded into Lexria. So our technical support can be reached during business hours down here via chat or via email, and it's included in the price of every intake, which means we are here to help your clients convert their images to PDF or upload their documents directly into the tool. Via our left nav, I can go back to the dashboard. I can also click into each section from this front home page. The 6 sections capture all the detail your client needs to answer to file for bankruptcy. They can see the status of each section. For example, if I click into legal matters, I still see that I have my tax return section that's in progress, but I can also see exactly what I've already started and finished. I can also click into the section, continue to edit, and make changes real time. Simply hit save, I'm done, and I'm back to my legal matters section. I'd like to highlight 2 key areas before I let you go here. In the assets section, this financial accounts area is where we can import accounts. And this is where your clients can enter their banking credentials in any of these bank accounts. And we can automatically connect and pull bank statements going back upwards of a year. We can also keep those connections live and continue to pull updated statements. And as long as the credentials don't expire, we can continue to pull the statements and save your team a ton of time. If I go back to my dashboard and I click into the income section, similarly, under employment, I can add a job. And in the company name field, I can opt to go ahead and import my accounts once I've entered in my job title as well. Lexria asks, do I want to automatically retrieve employment information and pay stubs? If I click yes, I'll be prompted via a pop-up to enter my employer credentials. I can also go back and I can also add the job manually if I don't have employment credentials. If you want to save yourself and your team members a ton of time and energy and cut down on the nagging to your clients, Lexria is the intake product for you. Get in touch to find out pricing or ask any further questions. hello@lexria.com. I look forward to hearing from you.